In this video I'm gonna show you how to change icon color on your iOS 26. So look here, this is my iOS 26. So at first open my settings, press on general, software update. Must be update your iOS 26. I'm already update this, so go back, so press on, so it's just long press in your blank screen, then you get edit option, or if you want to select any apps and just long press, then you get edit home screen option. Press on edit option. Okay, click on to customize, then you get 4 different way: default, dark, clear, or color option. Like I'm open this and I'm easily customize my app color from here. Okay, if you want to change size, big or small, light, dark, and auto, select dark option. Okay, and you just easily customize from here. So look here, my change icon color, or if you want to get back default, edit again, so long press on edit, customize, and press on default. So that's it.